Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to switch to dark mode for Microsoft Teams on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Teams. Let that load. Make sure you are signed into the account as we are signed in. If you're not sure how to do that, go to the previous tutorials or the playlist, how to use Microsoft Teams on a Mac, to demonstrate the process of signing in and out of your account. So now that we are signed in, to switch to dark mode, let's go to the right top corner of the screen, click on My Profile and go to Manage Account. Go to General. And there where we have theme, it's currently on default. We can switch to dark mode. So now we are on dark mode. Let's go back to the main application itself. As we can see, everything else is not in dark mode. If we want to do that, let's go to the dock, go to System Preferences, go to General, go to dark mode. Now we are in dark mode. Let's go back to Microsoft Teams. Let's revert back to the original, General, Default, and we can then see that Teams is no longer in dark mode. However, the Mac itself is. Let's go back to Light, and that's how you switch to dark mode and revert back to the original for Microsoft Teams using the settings. Go to General, go to Dark or High Contrast. Let's go back to dark or default, and we can use comfy or compact. We'll just stick to comfy for the moment and the default, so we can now quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.